Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drive ratchet is probably one of the most essential tools in any mechanics or DIY enthusiast's arsenal, offering unparalleled efficiency and ease of use when tightening or loosening fasteners. Its ratcheting mechanism allows for continuous turning without repositioning the tool, saving valuable time and effort on projects big and small. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, assembling furniture, or tackling household maintenance, a high-quality drive ratchet can significantly improve your workflow and deliver professional results, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who values precision and speed in their work. Number 5. ACDelco G12 Series 12V Cordless Ratchet Wrench Toolkit. Introducing the ACDelco G12 Series Cordless Ratchet Wrench. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for working in tight and dark spaces, thanks to its built-in LED light. With 45 ft-lbs of torque and a speed of 170 revolutions per minute, this tool is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from auto repair to construction and home projects. Experience superior comfort and control with its ergonomic soft grip and slim body design. You can achieve secure hand torque up to 100 ft-lbs. This comprehensive kit includes the cordless ratchet wrench, a socket set, 2 interchangeable 12V Li-ion batteries, and a fast charger, ensuring you have everything you need. We stand behind our products with over 35 years of manufacturing excellence. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty and a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. If you need a versatile tool for tight and dark spaces, this is a great option. Its compact design and built-in LED light make it perfect for auto repair and home projects. Plus, the value kit includes everything you need to get started. What people say. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth and has a good range of motion. The build quality feels solid and durable, with a comfortable grip. It has a low-profile head, allowing access to tight spaces. Number 4. Toolant 3/8 Drive Flex Head Ratchet Wrench. Introducing our 3/8-inch drive ratchet. Its compact head, built on a 1/4-inch body, offers exceptional access to fasteners in engines, machinery, and other confined workspaces. Experience surgical-grade control with our 90-tooth gear, featuring a 4-degree swing arc. This requires significantly less movement space, perfect for stubborn bolts in automotive and industrial applications. This flex head ratchet is engineered for tight spaces without sacrificing strength. It delivers 1.5 times the torque and durability of ASME standards, ensuring a longer service life. The longer handle design provides superior leverage, reducing hand fatigue by 35%. A clearly labeled switch makes tightening and loosening tasks easy and efficient. Enjoy worry-free performance for life with our lifetime replacement guarantee. If it ever fails, we'll replace it. It also comes with a handy storage box, making it ideal for any setting. What we like. For those who constantly battle with extremely tight or recessed fasteners, this tool excels. Its exceptionally low-profile head and 90-tooth gear system offer unparalleled access and control in confined engine bays or machinery. If precision and reach are your top priorities, this is the one. What people say. The 3/8 drive ratchet is a great tool for tight spaces, with a slim profile and a comfortable grip. It features a quick-release mechanism that makes changing sockets a breeze. The ratcheting action is smooth and precise, allowing for easy one-handed operation. Number 3. EPAuto 3/8 Drive Socket Set. Introducing the EPAuto 3/8 Drive Socket Set, your reliable partner for any mechanical task. This comprehensive set is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy, this set is built for exceptional durability. You can count on its strength for years to come. Featuring a chrome-plated and mirror-polished finish, it offers superior resistance to corrosion. This ensures a long-lasting, pristine appearance. Keep your tools tidy with the included sturdy plastic storage case. Everything stays organized and readily accessible for your convenience. The set includes a 72-tooth pair head ratchet, paired with both metric and English size sockets. This versatility covers a wide range of applications. Experience the quality craftsmanship that comes from its manufacturing in Taiwan. This ensures a high standard of performance and reliability. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward socket set for general repairs, this is a solid choice. The durable chrome vanadium steel construction ensures longevity, and the included metric and English sockets cover most common tasks. It's ideal for home garages and DIY enthusiasts who value durability. What people say. The 3/8 drive ratchet is very smooth and has a good feel to it. It has a nice low-profile head which allows access to tight spaces. The quick release button works well and is easy to operate with one hand. Number 2. Mr. Penn 7.5-inch dual direction gear ratchet. Meet the new 7.5-inch dual direction gear ratchet, designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its 3/8-inch drive makes it versatile for various tasks. Switching between tightening and loosening is a breeze with its fingertouch flip switch. This feature is especially helpful when you're working in confined areas. Crafted from forged chrome vanadium steel and heat-treated, this tool is built to last. It's engineered for heavy-duty applications, ensuring reliability. Its anti-dust design keeps debris out, protecting the internal gears and maintaining lubrication. This ensures sustained high performance over time. The high-quality plastic handle cover provides an excellent grip, allowing you to apply high torque comfortably. You'll experience superior control during use. Featuring a 24-tooth oval head, it offers a precise 5-degree swing arc. This allows for accurate adjustments even in tight spots. What we like. When working in dusty environments or needing quick direction changes, this ratchet shines. Its anti-dust design protects the gears, and a fingertouch flip switch makes reversing effortless, even in tight spots. If you value ease of use and longevity in challenging conditions, consider this. What people say. The 3/8 drive ratchet is well built and feels solid in hand. It has a smooth ratcheting mechanism with a satisfying click. The quick release button works flawlessly, making socket changes a breeze. Number 1. DEWALT 3/8-inch drive ratchet, DWMT 81097. Introducing the DEWALT 3/8-inch drive ratchet. It features a quick release button mechanism, ensuring a positive lock on your sockets for secure operation. With a 5-degree arc swing and a slim head design, this wrench offers exceptional maneuverability. It's perfect for working in restricted areas where space is limited. The 72-tooth gear system provides high torque ratcheting capabilities. This allows for efficient and powerful tightening and loosening of fasteners. Designed for comfort and control, it boasts a contoured, ergonomically designed handle. Anti-slip grooves ensure a secure grip, even during demanding tasks. Constructed from chrome vanadium steel, this tool is built for strength and durability. It's designed to withstand tough job site conditions. The low-profile directional lever allows for easy switching between tightening and loosening. This enhances user convenience and efficiency. You can trust in its quality, as it meets or exceeds NCASME standards. This ensures reliable performance and safety. What we like. For mechanics and DIYers who prioritize efficiency and comfort, this ratchet is a top contender. The quick release button ensures sockets stay put, while the 5-degree swing arc allows for easy operation in restricted areas. If you appreciate a comfortable grip and smooth operation, this tool is designed for you. What people say. The 3/8 drive ratchet is a solid tool, feels good in the hand and has a nice smooth action. I was impressed with the quality of this ratchet. It has a good weight to it and the mechanism feels very robust. The quick release button on this ratchet is a game changer. It makes changing sockets so much faster and easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.